Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this right here is the racetrack, Jockey Club. So this is where all the horses are at, right in this area. And then across the street, across the river is the China. So this is one side, and then you can also see the train line right there. Goes all the way down. We have another angle over here. So that has a stadium right there too, and more of the train line that goes all the way that way. And there's a station, and there's a Galaxy Casino, Venetian Casino, Parisian Casino, all that stuff. And then there's also like an Olympic track right there, Olympic Stadium. So that's the Olympic Stadium monorail, light rail train station. And then down here's this other one, and there's another station over here, which is this Jockey Club station. So that's all this above where we're looking at earlier.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.